Guys, welcome to another money making video from Rich David. So Rich David here, I'm going to be showing you how I turn $5 into $4,000 plus in profit in the space of 1 or 2 weeks, but I generated over $6,545. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my strategy and method of turning $5 to over $4,000 plus within a month and some days. With this strategy you can buy the dip. You can buy the crypto dip because we are on total discount, like crazy discount right now on the crypto market space. So you need a cash flow to be able to buy the dip. So the next one, you are made for life. So this is guaranteed cash flow system. It is guaranteed only if you put in the work. So it is guaranteed 100% guarantee only if you put in the work. I know even in the old system I made a lot of money. I've done it before. I made a lot of money with the old system. So this is the improved system. This is the improved system of it. It's able to make this amount of money. So I'm going to be showing this video. So now let's get to it. So it's known as Meta Force. So the old system was there. So I'm going to show you my dashboard on the old system. So let me show you my dashboard from the old system. I was able to generate 97 ETH in this old system. I was able to generate it for this old system without any experience. I had no experience. I wanted to just make money and go to and just like have mentorship so that I'll be able to to make the amount of money I need to invest to start trading and to get that mentorship I really needed. You can see the old system go to about so it was able to go to 1 million plus participants. Like the old system, this thing is big. So and it was able to generate 1 billion plus. So able to generate 1 billion plus. So this is also known as Forsage. So I made a lot of money from this. I was able to to start my journey in the crypto space. So I'm not going to this PDF is going to be on my team website. You are going to get it there, so you can go through it. But I'm going to go through my website right now to explain how it works, because I don't want this video to be long. So I'm going to explain. Go to my website right now. This is my team website, so there's going to be a link in the description below. Everything you need to know about this, everything you need to learn about it is here. So I'm going to go through. So we have 50% discount, which you are supposed to start with $10, but with the 50% discount up now, it's going to end when the NFT is out. You're going to be able to restart with $5 and activate every levels with just 50% discount. So we are on the classic program. So they have people are coming up soon. So there's going to be another additional program to make you more money. And if the first coin is coming soon, they're going to have a crypto coin, like a coin, just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or just to support the system traders. And you'll be able to stick that coin and be earning some ROI. And you have NFT platform which you can be able to sell your NFT, buy some NFT. They have academy, they have market tools. What is where you'll be able to earn from your NFT. So in later video I'm going to explain how the NFT area work, and I'm going to put more of it on my website, so you can go through this our team website and just learn more about how the NFT area work. But it's not yet out, so everything is here. You just learn everything here. So the link of this website is in the description below. So now I'll just go through how it works here. So I'll just start from here. I'll just go through here. It says a marketing business model. So this is your business. You take it as your business. You make sure that like your business. How do you, and when you start a business, what do? You want to get customers. How do you get customers? You look for a way, strategy on how to get customers to come and buy products from you or services from you. So in this system, just like that, you'll be like, you can bring in people. You can bring in people to come and join, and you'll be making money from the people that joining via your referral link. And registration is very cheap, which is the $5 discount we are on now. And you need like one Matic as network fee, because this is built on the Polygon blockchain. So you need a fee to be able to register and also upgrade. So you receive 100% as referral commission directly to your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. So any wallet you are using for the system, you receive 100% of the we forward money to your wallet. They're not, the system is not taking some other like some percentage and give you, you are going to get 100. That's why it is like your business, because as you are getting people to join, you are receiving 100% commission of it, and it's paid instantly to your wallet. So this is decentralized. So it's just like the way other decentralized protocol works. So it is built on the blockchain, so it was on its own. So you continue to earn like that. Any unlimited, you can earn as much as you can. A month and 2 weeks, I was able to turn $5 into $4,000 in profit. $5,000 into $4,000 in profit just in a month, and just $5. That is a lot. So you can make a lot beyond your imagination. It's really proving system. You can see like my old dashboard from the old system. You see how much I made. I was able to gather 97.8 from it. So without any experience, like in the space of 1 year. So now there are generational incomes. Example, you can earn from your upline. Like your upline is bringing people, inviting people, building, and you be earning from his work. You be earning from his for the people he's bringing, for the building he's building. You be earning from it. You also be earning from your downlines. So when your downlines are also building, you will be earning from your downlines that are also building. So you'll be earning from their work too. You can earn up to $1,000 plus. This is the short term. So that is just a short, like it's really small. Nobody will just like I don't expect anybody to like be in this state for 1 year and $1,000. No, that is too poor, that is too small, that is not compared to what this system can give you like in a year, if you are not putting too much work. But even when you are putting in too much work, you can earn more than that. You can even earn to $1 million. A lot of people earn $1 million in the whole system. A lot of people earn $1 million in the whole system, and this new system, you can also earn that $1 million with this system. It has been proven. So other benefits I've already go through this part, the first token, the NFT. So you can just come through my website. The link is in the shop below. So you tap on Lemon. So we have a lot of details here. So we have a video, and the video is loading. This is the video from the founder, Lando.
Greetings, friends.
But I'm not going to play it. It is here. You can go through it. Through the video. It's also 5 minutes long. Understand more about this, and I'm going to upload the PDF here, so you can also download the PDF. So you can go through it. So we have 2 programs right now. The classic, we have S6 and S3. S6, you are going to earn 300% from every level you have, and you are going to be earning it. So if you recycle twice in one level, you are going to earn 600%. If you recycle like 3 times in a one level, you are going to earn like 900% just in one level. So in the same STV, you also have you can that one you earn 200% from the level you open, which is which STV is applied to level 3, level 6, level 9, and level 10. So I go to earn 200% in this level. And this recycle, you can let's go to, so you understand what I'm saying. So you see it here. So this money, this one's here, this every earnings that come down there comes to your wallet directly. Then this one goes as recycle to open the level for you again. Let's say you're in level 1 and you're earning 15 DAI from this TV place here. You're earning 50 DAI from this TV place here. You're earning 50 DAI from this TV place here. So once you recycle, you are going to have another opportunity to earn another 15 DAI again. So you also recycle again, you're still going to have another opportunity to earn another 15 DAI again. So if you can build this system and open from level 1 to level 12, within the space of in a year or 6 months, which is possible, even 3 months, it depends on how the effort you put in. Because if this was the effort you put in, when I'm on level 10, I just have 2 levels to complete the to enter level to complete the full metric. So you'll be earning again and again and again and again. My dashboard, just in level 1. In level 1 has earned me $480. Just in level 1, $480 in level 1. Just with this 5 DAI. So just in level 1. So that is the great thing about this platform, this system, because you are earning from each level again and again and again. So imagine you put level 1 to level 12, you earn from level 1 to level 12 again and again and again. So if you calculate this amount of money from level 1 to level 12 calculate all of it together, that's a lot of money, and you'll be earning it again and again and again. So that's how the system works. So if you want to sign up, 2 ways to sign up. You can just tap here if you are using mobile, then the drop menu, then you see register, register. But if you are using a PC, you see it up, register there, just tap on it. Or you can just sign up, register, tap on this button to register. Then when you tap on it, if you have knowledge on the crypto space on how to use the app browser and all those stuff, you can just immediately tap on sign up, but make sure that you have your 5 DAI in your wallet and your Matic, so you can get Matic from any exchange, take it to your wallet. Then you can use the swap option in your wallet to swap some Matic to DAI. And you can also, if you are not if your wallet doesn't have the option to swap, you can use this link, quick swap or 1 and swap your Matic to DAI. There also, you can also follow this instruction here. All you just need to do is just maybe copy link, then follow this we have screenshot here. If you are using Trust Wallet, how to get started. If you are using Toku Pocket, if you are using MetaMask, if you are using a Pixie, so we have every instruction here. So you can get started and just start. So then you can just message if you are finding any difficulty in going forward in this, in the registration process or funding process. You can just you can chat me up, or tap on the drop menu here. Tap on contact us, or better still, if you are using mobile, you can see this WhatsApp something here. Just tap on it and chat. But when you tap on contact us, you have options. To message me. You have options to get in touch with me. You can get in touch with me through WhatsApp. You can get in touch with me through email. So, and you can get in touch with me through Telegram. So you have this TV option to get in touch with me. WhatsApp, Telegram, and through the email. So get started with this business. This business is really paying off. I have made a lot of money from it just in a space of 1 month, just 1 or 2 weeks. So it was launched on the 29th of June this year, 2022. This new version. So all you just need to do, so the link in this website, so you can just go through it, understand everything. It is on the description below. Also, link to contact me is also in the description below, and my link to register to get started is also in the description below. Our team group for register partners. So when you get registered, just message me with your ID to verify that you register under my team. Then add you to this team group. Every Friday we come up with training on how to make a lot of money using this system, on how to make a lot of money using this system. So we will come up with training every Friday. So when you get registered, start bringing people, start inviting people and bringing people into the system, we are also going to train those people every Friday on how to make more money using this system. So just get registered, message me with your ID, then I verify that you register under my team, then I add you to our team group. So see you in the next upcoming future video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Switch David.